Welcome to Chasing Curiosity TV. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. The air crackles with excitement on the coast of Batangas. News cameras flash as the Lime Island Advanced Refinery comes online, marking a historic moment for the Philippines. This isn't just another industrial project, it's a declaration of energy independence. For decades, the nation relied on volatile global markets. Tonight, it takes control of its destiny. The president calls the refinery the light that will guide our nation forward, promising a future where families no longer fear oil price hikes. The energy produced here will power homes, schools, and businesses across the archipelago. More than fuel, this refinery represents hope and progress, a bold leap into a secure future. Behind the celebration is a feat of engineering, one of the world's most advanced, environmentally conscious refineries. Lime Island proves that industrial growth and sustainability can go hand in hand. As the first batch of refined fuel is prepared for shipment, the world watches. Leaders and experts from across the globe are here, eager to see this new model in action. Lime Island offers a path from dependence to self-reliance for developing nations. The message is clear. With innovation and determination, any country can build a secure, sustainable energy future. The story of Lime Island is just beginning, but it's already inspiring a generation to dream bigger. This is Anderson Cooper, reporting live from the dawn of a new era. The Philippines steps onto the world stage as a leader in energy innovation. For generations, the Philippines has struggled with energy dependence. With little domestic oil, the country has always relied on expensive imports. When global prices rise, so does the cost of living. Jeepney rides, electricity, even fish at the market. This uncertainty makes it hard for families to plan and businesses to grow. Billions spent on imported oil could have funded schools, hospitals, and infrastructure. The cycle of instability has slowed national progress for years. Government efforts to find new energy sources and promote conservation couldn't keep up with soaring demand. Without a domestic refinery, the country remained trapped, spending heavily just to keep the lights on. The Lime Island project is a direct answer to this long-standing problem. By refining crude oil at home, the Philippines can finally reduce its reliance on foreign fuel. This stabilizes the energy supply and shields the economy from global market swings. The refinery is more than steel and pipes. It's a shield for the nation's future. It offers a stable foundation for growth and prosperity. Lime Island marks the end of an era of vulnerability. The Philippines is now ready to chart its own energy destiny. Lime Island wasn't always a symbol of progress. For years, it housed an aging refinery, inefficient, polluting, and unable to meet modern demands. As technology advanced, the old facility fell behind, struggling to adapt and raising environmental concerns. The decision to transform Lime Island was bold, not just an upgrade, but a complete reinvention. In partnership with global tech leaders, the government built a state-of-the-art mega refinery. The new facility is bigger, smarter, cleaner, and far more efficient. Today, Lime Island is a sprawling complex of advanced towers, pipes, and control centers. It's among the world's most productive and environmentally friendly refineries. The transformation is a story of ambition, honoring the past while building a new future. Lime Island is now a beacon of Philippine innovation and energy independence. The nation has turned a modest facility into a global powerhouse. This is a testament to vision and determination. The world is taking notice. Step inside Lime Island's control room and you enter the future. Artificial intelligence monitors every process, optimizing performance and preventing problems before they start. The refinery's digital twin, a virtual replica, lets engineers test scenarios and train staff safely. Advanced hydrocracking and catalytic reforming allow the facility to process a wide range of crude oils. This flexibility means the Philippines can buy from the best suppliers, gaining economic power. Automation is everywhere. Robotic systems and drones handle inspections and maintenance, keeping workers safe. These technologies ensure the refinery adapts to global market changes and maintains top standards. The blend of AI, digital twins, and robotics makes Lime Island a marvel of modern industry. Every decision is data-driven, maximizing efficiency and safety. The refinery's tech edge secures affordable fuel for decades. Lime Island sets a new standard for industrial innovation. The future of energy is here, and it's Filipino. This is the new face of energy independence. Despite its scale, Lime Island was designed with the environment in mind. A cutting-edge carbon capture, utilization, and storage system traps emissions before they reach the air. Captured CO2 is reused or stored safely underground, slashing the refinery's carbon footprint. Water recycling treats and reuses every drop, protecting local supplies and setting a new industry standard. Solar panels and wind turbines provide clean power, blending renewables with traditional energy. Green spaces, trees, and mangroves surround the facility, absorbing emissions and boosting biodiversity. The refinery's design proves industry and nature can coexist. Lime Island is a model for responsible, sustainable development. It's not just about producing fuel, it's about protecting the planet for tomorrow. The project sets a higher bar for environmental stewardship in heavy industry. Every aspect, from emissions to water use, is managed with care. Lime Island is proof that progress and sustainability can go hand in hand. The future of energy is green. Lime Island's transformation has sparked economic growth across the region. Thousands of jobs were created during construction and now in operations. High-quality careers that lift families out of poverty. Local businesses thrive, supplying goods and services to the refinery and its workforce. New restaurants, shops, and housing have revitalized once quiet coastal towns. The refinery generates billions in tax revenue, funding roads, schools, and healthcare for all Filipinos. The economic ripple effect is felt far beyond Batangas. A new technical training center prepares the next generation for high-tech careers. This investment in people is the project's most lasting legacy. Lime Island turns energy expenses into national income, fueling development. The project empowers communities and strengthens the nation's financial foundation. The benefits reach every corner of the country. Prosperity and opportunity are now within reach for many. Lime Island is a catalyst for lasting change. Lime Island's rise is reshaping regional geopolitics. With secure domestic fuel, the Philippines gains independence in foreign policy. The nation is less vulnerable to pressure from oil exporters and can act in its own interests. Stronger energy security bolsters ties with the United States, enhancing regional stability. The refinery ensures reliable fuel for the military and Coast Guard, crucial for South China Sea operations. The U.S. sees a self-reliant Philippines as a key Indo-Pacific partner. With China, the Philippines now negotiates from a position of strength, less swayed by energy deals. The refinery is a strategic asset, reinforcing sovereignty and maritime rights. Lime Island helps create a more balanced, multipolar region. The Philippines can build partnerships with a wider range of countries. By controlling its energy destiny, the nation recalibrates its place in the world. The refinery is a quiet but powerful statement of sovereignty. The Philippines is now a player, not a pawn, in regional affairs. Lime Island's success is a blueprint for developing nations worldwide. It shows that energy independence is possible with strategic planning, technology, and political will. The project integrates AI, automation, and sustainability, setting a new standard for industrialization. Environmental stewardship is built in, with carbon capture, water recycling, and renewables. Countries rich in resources but lacking infrastructure can follow this model to move up the value chain. Producing refined fuels at home creates jobs, revenue, and industrial growth. Lime Island proves that strategic investment can transform a nation's economy. Investing in people is key. The Technical Training Center ensures benefits are widely shared. Linking industry with education creates a cycle of innovation and opportunity. The project's lessons will inspire leaders around the globe. Lime Island is more than a refinery. It's a catalyst for transformation. The future belongs to those who build it. On September 17, 2025, Lime Island's light shines across Batangas Bay. But this is more than the glow of industry. It's a beacon of hope for millions. Lime Island is a story of people, pride, and a nation's journey from dependence to independence. The impact will be felt for generations. Stable energy, jobs, and a stronger economy. The refinery enhances security and gives the Philippines a louder voice in the world. It's an engine of progress, lifting the country and improving lives. Lime Island's story will inspire developing nations everywhere. It's a roadmap for using technology to solve big challenges and build a sustainable future. The lessons learned here will shape global development. Lime Island proves that progress is possible with vision and determination. The refinery is more than pipes and towers. It's a symbol of national spirit. The Philippines is ready to lead, innovate, and build a brighter future for all. The journey has just begun.